If your plant starts showing unusual signs, it might be worth checking. This condition is often associated with PLS. Some common signs include symptoms of physiological leaf spot, vary considerably in size and color depending on the crop type, variety season, and production organization. Some cereals develop yellow or orange pinhead spots, and others have brown or reddish-brown spots. In some cases, these spots enlarge and become waterlogged, fingerprint-like lesions. These symptoms can be easily confused with fungal spot symptoms such as sunburnt spot, netting spot, and septorial leaf spot. However, if the cause is physiological, the spots are on all leaves of the plant, while fungal diseases usually start in the lower canopy. A key difference is that physiological lesions have sharp edges limited by leaf veins compared to fungal diffusion. This problem can occur due to physiological leaf spot is commonly seen on winter wheat, but other cereals can also be affected. This disorder is thought to be caused by tissue oxidation due to environmental factors, such as damaging sunlight on the upper leaves or chloride deficiency in the soil. Other stresses, such as alternating cool, cloudy, and humid weather followed by hot, sunny conditions, can also cause the disease. The accumulation of pollen and water at the base of the leaf sheath can also cause the development of physiological spots. Physiological leaf spots can be easily confused with disease-induced spot symptoms, such as sunspot, net spot, and septorial leaf spot. However, unlike these pathologies, it is not thought to affect yield. Therefore, it is extremely important to differentiate whether the spots are caused by disease before deciding whether or not to use fungicides. You can try natural solutions such as currently, there are no biological control measures for physiological leaf spot disease. Please inform us if you know of any. If the condition becomes more serious, you may consider, if possible, always consider using a combination of preventative measures with biological treatments. In cases of neutral or low soil pH, potassium fertilization in the form of KCl has been shown to remedy or prevent these symptoms in some varieties. Potassium supplementation has limited effect in high pH soils. To reduce the risk in the future, select disease-tolerant varieties if available in the area. Regularly monitor crops and test for disease in a diagnostic laboratory. Avoid soils with low chloride content and monitor the soil regularly for this nutrient. Apply potassium fertilizer in the form of KCl as a supplement in the fertilization program only when the soil has an optimal low pH. In summary, leaf symptoms vary with spots of different sizes and colors. The spot pattern appears on all leaves of the plant, is limited by the leaf veins, and often has sharp edges compared to being limited to older leaves and spreading by the fungus. Follow the channel to learn more about keeping plants healthy.